Running a community sometimes feels like hosting a giant family gathering. It's beautiful, it's chaotic, and yes, occasionally a few people forget basic common sense. And if you're the one running it, you know the drill. You're correcting people, educating new members, calming things down, keeping things clean, and trying to stay respectful even when someone is testing every nerve you have. It's rewarding, but it can also burn you out. That's where ChatGPT changed everything for me. Not by replacing my voice, but by refining it. Not by sounding robotic, but by helping me stay calm, clear, and kind, even on the days when my patience is running on fumes. Suddenly, the tough replies became easier. The educational messages became gentler. The boundaries became clearer. And you know what? The community actually started getting better. People felt heard. Conflicts dropped, new members understood the culture faster, and the overall tone of the group just lifted. Because AI isn't just a productivity tool. For community owners, it's emotional infrastructure. It helps you respond with respect when someone crosses a line, with clarity when someone's confused, with firmness when needed, and with warmth when someone genuinely needs support. If you run a community today, digital, local, niche, or massive, AI isn't optional anymore. It's the difference between burnout and balance. And honestly, it helped me become a better community leader too.